Welcome back, another cooking recipe. Along with I represent Sunday dinner recipe, some pepsi, don't say chicken, rice and peas. So I'm starting by adding some Irish, some onion, turkey, onion, seven. Simple natural recipe. Some pepsi, yeah. The chicken, natural, nice, flavor, delicious recipe. So I'm gonna show me how me prepare my pepsi chicken. So I'm add some pepsi to the pot, and add some water. First me try it. It's a recipe eatable, tastable, delicious. So add some water to it and thing and see the Irish there, the onion, scallion, some ketchup, taste and flavor, and I add pepper. That go and cook for 15 minutes. So see that bubble and thing there. You can see the recipe has simmer down. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe. Another update again for the recipe. Well, so I'm gonna give it the next 5 more minutes, 20 minutes. See it again. Yeah, you can see the simmer, recipe of bubble, eatable, tastable, finger licking. So a recipe take 30 minutes. You can see the quality, presentation, eatable, delicious. So you know it's at dinner time. See pepsi chicken, Irish, rice and lettuce. So you know it's a lumberjack dinner ready. So recipe eatable, tastable. So please try the recipe, leave a comment. Recipe so wonderful, enjoyable, eatable, tastable. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment.